Well, here's the Black Country Motor Museum. Here we are. Tribute to the Black Country Motor Company as well here. We have a fire engine from 1924 here, as well as some motorbikes. There we are, motorcycles on the front line, 1914 to 1918, of course, the First World War. Our big collection here. This is the Black Country Living Museum, the largest collection of Black Country made vehicles in the world. There we are, from the early 1900s. The industry grew rapidly, and here we are. Black Country manufacturers responded, including Sunbeam, Turner, AJS, Star, Britain, Bean, Kleiner and Guy. There we are. They produce motorcycles, cars, vans, lorries, buses and trolley buses, which is, one is just outside here actually. There we are. Well, here's the garage here. There we are. 1915 in Wolverhampton. There we are. Now, I saw that one on site earlier. There we are. There we are. Some film footage there. North of the 1904. Well, that's a Turner. There we are. There's cars here. Black Country Museum. In the Midlands here. See various makes, models and styles here over the years, including commercials.